Okay, while we're waiting on it. Let's see. Ava, read me E.
E. Sum of two top numbers. Or top two numbers. Sorry.
Okay, Frank, what does sum mean?
The answer to an addition problem.
Perfect, an answer to an addition problem. So, the top two numbers, what two numbers am I going to write down, Andalyn?
The top two numbers that you're going to write down is 8.8 and 4.2.
Good. And whenever I add, do I have to line them up? Or can they just be written anyway? When I add numbers, Alex, do I line them up or can they be written anyway? By what?
Decimal.
By the decimal. Okay? Isaac, tell me how I start my addition problem.
Add 8 and 8.
8 and 8, everybody is?
16.
Do I write it like this?
No.
Oh, I
That's
see that a lot.
61.
That's 61. How do I know that's 61? Because I have to read left to right, right? So what number goes here?
6.
And then I carry the
1.
Okay. Katie, what do I do next?
You add 8 and 4.
8 and 4 is what? And then what? And y'all taught me this actually here is y'all always did the little +1 right there so you didn't forget to do that. So y'all taught me that last year. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then I write it. And then what do I need to do, Samaya?
Drop down your decimal.
Drop down my decimal. How often do we forget that?
A lot.
Often. Okay, that little decimal's sad when he doesn't get dropped down. Okay, so my answer here, the sum, which means to add, is 13 and 6/10. Okay, Isaac, read me F.
Difference of the bottom two numbers.
Okay, and let's see, Frank. Actually, Will, tell me what difference means.
Subtract.
Means to subtract. Frank, what is the actual definition to difference? Because you had a great definition to addition.
An answer to
What does it mean? He said it. Will said it. What does difference mean?
the opposite or something.
No. Well, it does. That is true. But in math, what does it mean?
The answer to a subtraction problem.
It is the answer to a subtraction problem to find the difference of something. Okay. So, what numbers am I finding the difference of, Anna?
14 and 14, 87, and 14 and 46.
So 14.8 and 14.4. Duncan, how do I have to line those numbers up? By the decimal. Okay? If I don't line them up by the decimal, is my answer going to be correct? No. So when you add or subtract, you have to line up those decimals. Okay? What do I do? Sarah, tell me my next step.
Subtract the 8 and 4.
8, take away 4 is what, everyone?
4.
Then I need to...
Drop down your decimal.
I could. And then what?
That's a 0.
Good, and
0.
what's my answer?
4.
It's
4 tenths.
4 tenths, which would not be 4 cents. It would be what?
40
40 cents, because 4 tenths would be what money we learned in our math store?
Pennies.
Or what?
Pennies. Dime. Dime.
Tenths. What equals a tenth?
Dime.
Dimes. So 4.4 is 40 cents. Or can I put a 0 back here to make it look like 3? Yes. Okay. Find the perimeter of the shaded. What is perimeter, Jaden?
Perimeter is the outside.
Okay. The opposite, or the outside. What word in perimeter tells me what it is? Isaac? What word inside of perimeter, look at this word, that tells me I'm looking for the outside? The what? Anybody know that word in there?
What?
Rim.
The rim. Anybody play basketball?
Yeah.
You know, you shoot it, it goes around the rim. You don't score if it just keeps going around the rim, do you? It's got to go through the what? The net. So the rim is the outside. You don't have no points. It's just the outside of it. The rim of anything. Mr. Lopez told me like the rim of your windowsill. It's around it. Okay. So around the shaded. Am I gonna do this whole thing?
No.
No. Why?
Because
It's just the shaded. So Samaya, tell me what strategy Miss Webster wants you to use to find the perimeter of the shaded. I want you to what around it?
these formulas, count it. Or, no.
When it's like this, yes, we can use our formula. Anybody know the formula?
Length times
What is that formula?
Length times width.
Y'all are giving me a beautiful formula, but it is not for perimeter.
width times length.
Length times
Height
width
times
times width times.
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Height times width times height.
That's
We didn't
volume, but I'm glad you know it. So what strategy could I use if I don't know the formula? You're going to be given a formula chart. We'll go over that formula in just a second, but what strategy could I use? Kaylin? I could bunny hop around it. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes?
How do you get sick? What?
I bunny hopped around it and counted.
I got 4.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh, I got one wrong.
Perimeter equals the length times 2 plus the width times 2. The length is what? How many is in the length?
5.
So 5 times 2 plus what's the width? 3
Width
times 2. What's 5 times 2?
10.
Plus what's 3 times 2?
6.
And what is 10 plus 6?
16.
16. As soon as my little pen wants to wake up. So 6 and then it equals what?
16.
16. So it equals 16 here. So rather you use the formula, which is L times 2 plus W times 2, length and width. Okay? So my next one is area of the shaded. Since I had a beautiful formula given to me by Kaylin, Kaylin, what is the formula that I would use to find area? You said it a while ago.
Length times width.
Area equals length times width. What other way, if I don't understand formulas, what other way could I get that? I could what? Andalyn? What could I do to find the area? First of all, what is area?
Area is the inside.
The inside. So what could I do to find out what the area total is?
You could count.
I could count this. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? Or I could do, the length is what?
5.
The width is what?
3.
And last time I checked, 5 times 3 is?
15.
Yes.
So is it going to give me the same answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay? So rather you have boxes and you can count, or you need to use the formula, you need to do that. So the area of the shaded is what?
15.
15. Very good. 15 what? Does it tell me that they're inches or they're centimeters or whatever? No. So it's 15 units, because I don't know what the unit is, squared. Okay? And this is just 16 units. Why is it squared?
Because they're squares.
Well, they are squares, units, okay? Square units. Good. All right, so then the last question is what on your paper? I don't see it. I can't see it, but you can. What does it say?
Area.
Total area. So if I already know this area is 15, do I need to start over?
No.
Or can I just take, okay, I have 15
15.
plus I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 15 plus 6 equals
21.
21. 21 what?
Unit.
21
Square
units.
units.
Square or square units. Good. Sir. on the real thing, yes, you're going